What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So we got the Oppo Reno. This is to be announced April 10th. It will have a 10x periscope camera, which is going to be very awesome. So this teaser is pretty much just showing the making of the phone. So we expect to see two models with this guy. We expect to see one 5G with a Snapdragon 855 and the other one with a Snapdragon 710, so a little bit more affordable. We'll have no holes on the front for the display, which is going to be pretty interesting. So more specs with this guy is it will have a 48 megapixel camera, doubled by an ultra wide shooter, 8 or 10 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. The 5G variant will have 12 gigabytes of RAM and a huge 5000 milliamp battery. So these are the rumored specs right now, and they're even saying it will have a Lamborghini edition with 512 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 3.0 storage, which would be pretty crazy. So are you guys excited for this phone? Be sure to let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.